We're back at Hevy Acres. Ain't been here in a while. You know, life and all that, snowstorms. But the charge today is I got a truckload of junk. Got some new tires for the front of the 66. So mama don't be riding around on May Pops. It's kind of late morning. I've been lounging around watching Vice Grip Garage videos. Still got some snow here. Alright, let's go see if this 66 got a flat tire. I gotta do some consolidating here. Oh yeah, flat tire. Well, let's throw some air in that and move a couple things and open the door. Back this out. I should get that glass, those windows out of the back of this truck. Put front tires on it and go from there. You know? Alright, we got a little air in the right front. I went ahead and aired up the air tanks. You know, somebody was making fun of me in one of the videos. 120 PSI. They thought I was talking about tire pressure, but it's really the airbag system. Alright, this thing ain't run in more than a month, and it ain't got no choke, and it's pretty cold, but let's see what happens. It's got a clickety-clack here. Runs fine. Let's let her warm up a minute and we'll back it out enough where we can get the jack under it. Oh, look, the battery's dead on the phone. And gone. Not the phone, the camera. Alright, new tires. I should do something with the alignment on this thing so I don't eat them up so bad, but I'm not prepared to do that at the moment. So let's check the vitals, the fluids and whatnot, and make sure it's all good. That way mama can drive it to town and I won't have to go change a tire again. It's kind of dark in there, but in case you don't know, it's got a little 283 with 305 HO heads, an intake, and a mild cam, very mild, and a quadrajet. Thing runs good. We might liven it up here at some point, but we'll see. We'll see. Real basic runner. Don't have no heater. I should buy the parts for that. It don't have a heater core. But it's got a 77 or something like that front suspension under it. Airbags, power steering. It's really a pretty sweet truck. Air horn. Gotta have that. And some of you old timers will remember how I straightened out that hood. It was all caved in. She still could use some work. Ought to straighten out that door. Y'all can ask a little miss about that. It's a shame. It was a pretty good door. It still can be with some work. It's original paint. You don't find that every day. Original wood bed in it still. I wonder if she'll take the yee sticker off it. She's growing up. 25 now, I think. She's starting to talk about getting it back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right. It's good to go. Good to go. All right, let's see if this old girl will run. This one ain't running. I don't know, probably 2 months or something like that. Might have to give her a little shot of gas in the carburetor. I think so. Let's do it. She wanted to. Sometimes we gotta tap on the carburetor. The kneeling seat gets a little stuck. You know, you don't want to be too heavy-handed. I never did put spark plugs in it, so it's got a couple different kinds in there. Probably I should get some plugs. Well, I started out, but then I realized I got a slack tire. You just can't have nice things. Alright, all better. All better. Let's go do my little errands. I gotta stash that tire away safely somewhere. And a couple other things. I'm gonna bring that one home pretty soon. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna do a rowdy motor for it. This one's got a hole in the block. I think that's my idea. You know, since the boys got him one, mine's gotta be just a touch better. It's a little soggy down here. I should be fine. Sure is nice to have a little place like this. Sure is. Look, there's snow. There, that's one of my errands. You know, for safety's sake. Got a bullet hole in it right there. I came from the city too. Not too far from a bunch of houses. Anyway, safekeeping now. Well, now that I got those up, let's take a little tour. Oh my goodness, it's slickery. Usually when I'm gone for a while, I find a tree fell down across my path. But not so far. However, it looks like my neighbor nuked all his apple trees. What do you make of that? The second battery is junk. It goes dead in a hurry. I should put a pinion seal in that front differential, shouldn't I? Yeah. Alright, I think what I'm going to do next is see why the charging system isn't working on that tractor. See if it'll run. Bring it in here and work on that a while. Another thing I need to do is get that truck unloaded of wood. I don't know if I'll do that today. Sure would be nice if I had a young man to help me with such things, wouldn't it? I gotta make a little room in here, and you'll see why in a few weeks. But I need to get that thing unloaded. The motor's got a dead cylinder in it. Well, it ain't dead. I'm gonna try to adjust the valves. Probably that ain't gonna fix it, but it's got one cylinder with only 70 pounds of compression, which is insufficient. Might have a burnt valve or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I'll put that 6-liter out of that old truck down in the woods in it. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Keep it small block or put a LS in it. It's a pretty nice truck. I seen one of them things going for $18,000 in no better shape than that. I got some cool old aluminum slots for it. I would like to find another one of these. Be a beater though. I want a beater. 4-wheel drive. Just use it around here. That's what I'm thinking. Like I need another project. Alright, we did a little MacGyvering and got her charging. I ain't really sure what's going on with all this wiring harness business. But since I wasn't sure, I just ran a wire from there to the positive. Now we're charging. Yeah, should be good. Right? I went in and took a nap, believe that? Alright, here's the other problem I got with this thing. That thing laid in the dirt, and now it won't latch, so I'm going to try to at least put some lubricant on it and tap it a little bit, see if I can't free it up a little bit. Also, I've got... Listen to that, somebody's out there doing a little shooting. I got a sticky brake, so I got to lube that up. I got it with a little bit of elbow grease and lubrication. Alright. So I got my battery charged back up, so we can ride around a little bit. We might run into Mrs. Chevy down here. I think she went for a walk. We might. Cut down all the apple trees. I don't know what to make of that. Some benches for some Second Amendment stuff. Must have got windy. There's a lot of limbs laying around. Let's see if it'll claw its way up this hill. As wet as it is. Oh yeah, I think it will. Doing just fine. This thing's a little mountain goat. There's what's left of an old tobacco drying barn, I believe. there used to be a still down there. I don't know if that's the case or not, but there is remnants of getting water out of a spring down there. And bamboo. Why is there bamboo? I don't know. Well, as you can hear, it's raining like a cow peeing on a flat rock, so I think we're gonna take our leave a little early. Ain't much I can do around here in the rain. What I can do, I don't want to do, so I'm gonna head to the house.